Using echolocation, the dolphins are able to create a visual map. The sound of approaching danger. A mixed group of spotted and bottlenose dolphins. Their whistles and squeaks are part of their continuous conversations. Each dolphin needs 15 kilograms of fish a day. The hunt is on. The bottlenose dolphins now switch from whistles to bursts of fast clicks, up to 200 per second. When the beam of sound hits a fish hiding beneath the sand, it's reflected back, revealing its location. High-frequency sounds are most effective at close range, enabling the dolphins to pinpoint their prey with great precision. But there is more to these pirouettes than meets the eye. Scientists have recently discovered that bottlenose dolphins favour their right side when scanning the seabed. The only evidence that there has been a sonar search here are small craters in the sand.